Once upon a time in a vibrant kingdom, there lived a princess named Carrot. Unlike other princesses who adored jewels and fancy dresses, Princess Carrot had a unique love for gardening, especially growing vegetables. Her garden was the pride of the kingdom, filled with colorful carrots of all shapes and sizes. One day, the kingdom faced a terrible drought, and the crops began to wither. The villagers were worried, as they depended on their harvests for food. Princess Carrot decided to take action. She gathered the townspeople and proposed a plan to conserve water and revive the garden. The villagers worked together, digging trenches and creating rainwater catchments. They shared tips on sustainable gardening, and slowly, the garden flourished again. As the crops revived, so did the spirits of the villagers. They celebrated by hosting a grand feast with fresh vegetables, all thanks to Princess Carrot's efforts. The princess realized that true royalty came not from riches, but from the love and support of her people. From that day on, she dedicated herself to helping her kingdom thrive, teaching everyone the importance of teamwork and taking care of the earth. And so, the kingdom prospered, and Princess Carrot became a beloved ruler, known not only for her beautiful garden but also for her kind heart and wisdom.